So this is Mr. Suit with tungsten switches, glued and filmed, and with an aluminum plate, hot swap, all foams, and JMK Nautilus.